Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D shadow effect behind video on Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application, and then I'm going to create new project on Capcut. So I'm going to click on new project right here, and then you can choose video you want to edit. I'm going to select video from this download folder. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this video guys, and I'm going to add this video to my project, and then we're going to add frame to this video. We can go to the effect menu right here, and then select the video effect, and after that we're going to go to this part category. Okay, and then select the flame frame, this one. Okay, then you can adjust the effect. We're going to make it 0 for the color, and then the filter as well, and the speed, and for the size I'm going to make it 100, and then for the intensity I'm going to make it 0 as well. Okay, and then click on the check mark, and you can make the effect align with your video like this by dragging the effect. All right, and wait guys, I'm going to remove the ending. Okay, then we're going to go to the background and replace the background with blur effect. Select background, and you can choose the blur category. Okay, right here, and then I'm going to select for example this one. Okay, now it's done, and you can keep adjusting your video if you're not satisfied with the size. You just need to go to the intensity too. You can go to the effect, and then you can adjust the effect right here if you want to adjust it. Oops, sorry guys. If you want to adjust the effect, you just need to go to the effect menu and then select adjust, and you'll be able to adjust the size right here. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add 3D shadow effect behind video in Capcut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!